Gentlemen, this is the homie Vincent, and then we got the homie Alex behind us as well. We met Vincent last night. He invited us out to come cruise 455, so figured we'd come hang out with him, see how it is. Don't judge, we're naked today. We are squids. We are squids today. We're going to cruise these little back roads. We're coming through town to get these other back roads. Kind of a warm-up for Vincent. He just woke up, so we're going to let him get warmed up a little bit.
What's poppin', ladies and gents? It's Dashcam. I'm just voicing over. Give you a tidbit of information here. We met up with Vincent, local legend out here, pretty cool guy. He just wanted to show us some of the back roads and stuff, give us some pointers. I am pretty much all self-taught. Been riding for a while, but pretty much all self-taught. So he's giving me some pointers and stuff on how to control the bike and everything. There's a lot of power here, a lot of power. So we met up with him for just a back road day, cruising around some back roads. He's showing us around, giving us pointers. I ended up running my tire completely down to chicken wire, and he was nice enough to spot me a spare tire there. So huge shout out to Vincent, really cool guy. But I don't do much talking in this video. It's mainly just me locking in, brother man. I'm getting into focus. So I'll try to talk in where I can, but enjoy. my personal opinion, it's very important, especially as a new rider, to get information from those with more experience from you. So usually after every ride, we sit down and have a chat about it. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about it. See what Vincent's got to say.
Yeah, that's why.
Yeah, it's so fucking good.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I looked for the pipe last night. I might get it. I don't know. I've been pissing money out lately, so that $400, and then to have my mechanic guy put it on for another fucking 150.
The slip-on is super easy to put on, but the full exhaust, if you're doing the full exhaust.
I have 2 thumbs. I am the worst mechanic in the world.
Yeah, so that's why he's probably not going to come with us on 455. And again, you'll see. So I'm all self-taught, so I'll let you get ahead of me a little bit because I gotta be calmer in the corners.
Plenty of time. If we're all riding together, I like to say we all ride together.
Oh yeah.
In case something happens to him or to you or to me. And hands crossed. Hands, stop gripping. Hands crossed. Elbows down. Not like Ben Speed. Elbows down. One butt cheek on the seat. One butt cheek off. And the back of her by itself. So don't force it. Don't steer it. And steer it instead. So we're full practice. Hands crossed. Elbows down. Butt cheek on. Butt cheek off. And squeeze your chin. You don't need to stick your knees out anymore. I can't allow you to stop it. And this is the power is so good. So friendly suggestion. There's 4 factors. Elbows down, hands crossed, one cheek on, one cheek off, and steer everything. Wherever your chin is, the bike's gonna go. That's the same for you. Hands soft. These are different, because those are like this, these are kind of like this. I still haven't really gotten used to the RSV fucking handsets.
Yeah.
Like I said, I love my TBR and the GX10 where I'm like a grasshopper.
Yeah.
But these are a little bit more out, but still hands soft, elbows down. The fucking lower your elbow is, the happier the bike is. The fucking happier the bike is. And then one ass cheek on, one ass cheek off.
Oh yeah.
Don't stick your fucking knee out.
At the end of the day, we kind of parted ways. Alex went back to his house to help his wife with lunch and stuff. And so Vincent and I continued on. We went down 455, took a couple of trips, and then we ended up coming back to the same road. So this is a little bit more spirited. This is when I started putting everything together, getting a little bit more comfortable. It's kind of towards the end of the day, but yeah, have a gander at this.